What's happening everyone? My name is Alex and welcome back. So a few months ago I made a video for the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX drone, this drone right here. This is a drone that does all the flying by itself. So whether it's flying in front of you, behind you, or it's spinning around you or whatever it's doing, because it can do many things, the drone does all the flying by itself. So you don't need to concentrate on flying the drone, you can concentrate on doing whatever you're doing. So whether you're walking, running or biking, well, you don't have to concentrate on flying the drone. The drone will basically fly itself. So I will leave a link to that video that I made in the video's description so you can check it out, because I did get some super cool footage in that video. The drone can also record in 8K at 30 frames per second, so you're also gonna get stunning footage from it. But since that video, the drone got many updates. So of course it has gotten better and better. So in today's video, we are gonna be checking out the follow function of the drone and see how well it does. Of course, I have my bike with me, it's just about there. We are gonna be doing some walking, some running, and so much more. Now, of course, the drone can also do way more than just following you. So it has a lot of functions that it can do. That's why I said check out the first video that I've made, because I will not cover all of them in this video. In this video, we are basically testing out the following function of this drone. Okay, so part of that following functionality, I feel that it's also Sidetrack, the mode called Sidetrack. Now, in order to get that on your drone, you have to enable it from the Hover app. Once you enable it from the Hover app, of course, it will show up on your drone. You can also customize that as well from the app. But once you have it on the drone will basically fly in parallel with you and film you kind of like if someone would be with you walking at the same pace and filming you as you're walking or biking or whatever. Now, whenever you're using this Sidetrack mode, you also have to be a bit more aware of where you are walking, because the drone is not going to be able to see what's to its side. So always be aware where you're walking so the drone doesn't actually crash into something. Now, the way the drone is designed, even if it crashes into something, the chances are it will survive without any problems, because as you can see, the propellers are all covered. So chances are nothing will happen to the drone, but why risk it if you don't have to? So always be a bit more careful whenever you're using the Sidetrack mode. All right, and I think I found the perfect location for our next following test. So I want to run in between these trees around here. So we'll go around there, we'll go around here, we'll go around here, and I'll have the drone following me while I'm running in between these trees. Let's see how well the drone does. Alright, so I think it did quite well. I would have ran longer, but I was getting tired, to be honest. So it almost lost me in between these trees here. So I came in between these trees and the drone actually came out this way. So it almost lost me here. Now I haven't actually seen the footage from the drone yet, because, well, I'm in the woods here. I'll see it when I get home. But I feel that it did quite well. It didn't hit any of these leaves that we have around here, because some of them are fairly low. So pretty well for this running test in this spot. Alright, next on the list we are going to be doing a bike riding test. For this test I will be going fairly fast. I'm going to say around 30-35 kilometers an hour. We are basically going to go that way. And we'll see how well this does. At the end of the road there is a super cool view, so we'll see how the drone captures that view. So let's do this test. So the drone definitely made it here. It didn't lose me, it didn't hit anything. So I can't wait to see how the footage actually looks when I get home on the computer. Look at this gorgeous view. Too bad that it got a bit windy, but such a gorgeous view from here. And again, I can't wait to see the footage from the drone because that 8K at 30 frames per second does look quite stunning. So next, let's find another place that has some more trees, and let's see how the drone does if you're riding a bike and riding between trees.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.
So once again, it did quite good in between these trees, considering that I was also going fairly quick on the bike. So it didn't hit anything, it didn't lose me, so I was quite surprised to see that. Next, let's do a bit of a running test. We'll try in between these trees here, see how it does. And once again, it did surprisingly well. Actually, it did better than I imagined that it would do. Now, at this point in time, I haven't actually seen the footage from it. Again, I will have to see it when I put this video together. So you're probably gonna see this footage even before me in this situation, if that makes sense. But yeah, I was definitely impressed by how well this did in between the trees. I had a tripod with my phone filming me and the drone following me, just so you see how it actually works. And it does do impressively well in this sort of environment. Definitely way better than I was imagining. Now, this video was sponsored by HOVERAir, so thanks for sponsoring this video. However, they haven't really told me what to do in this video. They just said, go make a video about the drone following me. So this is the video that we've made. I will leave some links in the video's description. Thanks for checking out this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to answer whatever questions you may have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.